We are back with a new interesting video, and sure you all like our previous videos as we put all efforts to make the videos interesting. So this time we are going to know about a natural disaster, about a tornado. Till what we all know is that it is a naturally occurring phenomena formed by a continuously rotating air. But there are lots of things remain that you must know. So if you want to know that basically and scientifically what a tornado is, how does it form, its indications and some precautions that can help you if you stuck in some majorly occurring area of a tornado, then watch this video till the end. A tornado or twister is a violently rotating column of air that extends between the Earth's surface and a cloud, and that cloud is known as cumulonimbus clouds. The word cumulus means thick and wide, so cumulonimbus clouds are a type of cumulus clouds associated with thunderstorms and heavy precipitation. They are formed beneath 2000 feet and are relatively close to the ground. This is why they have so much moisture. They are also known as thunderheads as their shape is like a mushroom. So that's all about what is tornado. Let's discuss that how they are formed. The first thing that is needed to produce a tornado is a thunderstorm. Yes, and there are many types of thunderstorms, but majorly tornado are formed by supercells. So what is a supercell? Supercells are the least common type of thunderstorm, but they have a high natural inclination, including damaging winds, large ice balls, and sometimes weak to violent tornadoes. And about 1 in 1,000 storms become a supercell, and 1 in 5 or 6 supercells response of a tornado. So even after a storm becomes a supercell, there must be some conditions to rip a tornado. That the air becomes very unstable with winds at different altitudes, blowing in different directions or at different speeds, a condition called wind shear. And in thundercloud, warm and humid air is rising while cool air is falling along with rain. All these conditions can result in rolling, spinning air current inside the cloud. Although this spinning column of air starts out horizontal, it can easily go vertical and drop down out of the cloud. When it touches the ground, it's a tornado. The winds inside a tornado may up to 300 miles per hour and spreading up to 50 miles long. Although tornado can form in any season, but they mostly appear in summer and rainy, and especially in late afternoon, because by this time the sun has heated the ground and the atmosphere enough to produce thunderstorms. Although tornadoes can be seen in almost all countries or continents, but US seen them more than the other countries. Even Texas in US hold up the record of annual average of 120 tornadoes. This is all about its formation, but how they die? Well, it still is a mystery. Yes, means we are not specifically 100% sure about how they die or stops. Some scientists claim that when updrafts lose energy, the tornado does too. Or some says by getting some heat from the ground, they disappears, or some have other theories. But still, it is a mystery. So after this Earthshaker talks about a tornado, did you get stiff? Even if you're not, you should be aware that it can be very disastrous, as it can destroy bridges, flip trains, or truck flying or suck the water from riverbed. Even in 2013, National Geographical explorer Tim Samaras and his team were killed while trying to study a tornado in Oklahoma. So you should know some preventing method to deal with some unpredictable situation. Like if you are at home and situation occurs, then get away from windows and move to the lowest level floor. Find a sturdy piece of furniture to sit under. If possible, sit in the center of the room. If you are outside, try to get inside a home or building. If you can't get inside, then find a low place to stay and be on the alert for floodwaters. If you are at a school or work, then open areas such as auditoriums and hallways, find a sturdy table or furniture to hide and protect your head. So these are some measures that you can take to save yourself in a tornado situation. Because any mistake or unawareness in this situation and you risk life and limb. That's it. We hope that all topics are perfectly catched by you. But if you find any mistake or any topic skipped in this video, then aware us by typing in the comment box. And if you like this video, then don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. Catch you later.